Hello folks and welcome to this little video where I will do a brief analysis about Judge Krause's decision to disqualify Judge Glanville. Now, there's already a stream up from yesterday, but this is a small portion of it that I find quite disturbing. Welcome to the show, folks. Yeah, the portion is this one. Let me get up to, yeah. Here she writes, it is worth noting that this court agrees generally with Judge Glanville's assessment of the propriety of the ex parte meeting. While the meeting could have, and perhaps should have, taken place in open court, nothing about the fact of the meeting or the substance discussed was inherently improper. Now, why do I have an issue with this part? First of all, you see there is no footnote to that meaning, to that line, to her analysis, or, in my opinion, lack of analysis. All three motions to dismiss, disqualify, had portions of the portions with case law, with statute, with rules, the Georgia rules of conduct, everything attached about why this ex parte meeting, due to its content, was bad. And her analysis is that one line. And I don't get it. If you find you're in a disagreement with Mr. Steele, Mr. Weinstein, Miss Bumpus, then you have to motivate that, in my opinion. Just my personal opinion. Or you don't include this at all. If you're not prepared to add statute, case law to this opinion, it shouldn't be there at all. So why is it there? Now, if I allow myself to speculate a bit, this is protecting Judge Glanville at any cost. And this is an issue that is part of the problem, which seems, although she agrees that Judge Glanville should be disqualified due to his actions regarding his conduct after, due to how he acted in regards to the disqualifications motions, where he shouldn't have tried to make excuses for himself. That disqualification, I mean, Judge Krause, has no choice. The rules are set. There's no way around it. She had to recuse Judge Glanville. So why not be satisfied with that? Well, the only reason, as I can see it, is because misguided protection of the judicials. That the society must trust the judges, the court system, because if we stop trusting, then it's falling down, the justice system. It's rotting from the inside if we stop trusting judges. So in this in my opinion, misguided attempt to bring order to this. She gives Judge Glanville, it's okay to do this. Perfectly okay. But what's even worse is she gives the next judge in the Young Thug trial a carte blanche of continuing to have these ex parte meetings. And she does it without adding case law, statutes, rule of conduct, no, nothing. And that's dangerous. That doesn't improve my faith in the court system in Fulton County, Georgia. If she had left this out, I would have had no problems. She could just have written down, we don't give assessment to this. We only focus on his conduct regarding the motions to disqualify him. But with this one line, I don't know what to say. This carte blanche is dangerous because it sends a message to all the other judges in Fulton County that it is okay to collude with the prosecution, to coerce witnesses into testifying the way they want them to testify. It's okay to keep it a secret for the defense. And for me, that lowers my trust in the system at place in Fulton County, Georgia. And that's not a good thing. Thank you for listening, folks. Hug your family. Unless your family is crap, then screw them and give your love to the people who deserve it. See you around. See you later. Bye-bye.